In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Finance dark mode. Whether you love the sleek look of dark mode or find it easier on your eyes, setting up a dark theme for Google Finance can greatly enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started on transforming your Google Finance into a dark-themed version. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Finance. You can do this by typing Google Finance into your search bar or directly entering the URL www.google.com/finance. Once the page loads, you'll see your usual financial information there, ready for you to navigate. However, we're about to give it a new dark twist. Now, hold tight here for a moment, because next, you'll want to open a new tab. In this fresh tab, search for Dark Theme for Google Chrome extension. You can use any search engine you prefer for this. Once the search results appear, look for the appropriate link to the Chrome Web Store listing of the dark theme extension. It should be easy to spot, as it's a common search request. Click on it and you'll land on the page where you can install this useful tool. On the Chrome Web Store page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click it. You might feel a little nervous about adding new extensions to your browser, but rest assured, this one is quite popular and widely used for a better visual experience during long hours of browsing. After clicking Add to Chrome, a pop-up window will ask you to confirm your choice. You will see an Add Extension button, which you need to click in order to proceed with the installation. This confirmation step ensures that you're fully aware of the changes you're making to your browser. Once you've added the extension, the magic is almost ready to happen. Return to your original Google Finance tab, and you'll want to enable the dark theme specifically for this page. Depending on your extension's interface, it may automatically apply the dark theme to all web pages. However, if it doesn't, look for the extension icon in your browser toolbar. Clicking on it should give you the option to enable dark mode for specific sites like Google Finance. With your settings adjusted and the dark theme enabled, go back to Google Finance and refresh the page if necessary. You should now see those stock charts, graphs, and tables transformed with a sleek dark hue. Not only does this change the visual appeal, but it can also help reduce eye strain, especially if you spend extensive time exploring financial data. And there you have it. Google Finance is now in dark mode. Collect your thoughts, grab your cup of coffee, and enjoy exploring the world of finance in a beautifully muted palette that's both stylish and functional.